Hi, I need your help. This is a Debug It challenge. Great to do with students, a great way to assess their learning. So in this program, I have a cat that I need to meow 3 times in a speech bubble, and at the same time, I want to hear the scratch cat meow 3 times. So let me play the program by clicking on this green flag. So I saw in the speech bubble meow 3 times, but I did not hear him meow 3 times. He only meowed 1 time. And also, it didn't happen at the same time. It happened after I saw the speech bubble. So we need to go in and fix this. We need to debug it. Let's get inside the program by clicking on the See Inside button. And take a look at the code right here. What I want you to do is to pause the video. And I also have a link that you can click on, open in another tab to get inside this program and tinker around and see if you can find the solution to this problem and fix this program. All right, you're back. I hope you were able to solve this. I want to show you how I solved this problem, and you can compare your answer to my answer. So when I looked at this, the first thing I saw was the loop didn't have the meow, play the meow sound inside of it. That was the first problem I saw. So I put that in there, and I'm clicking the green flag, and I see that still doesn't fix it. I'm still seeing the bubble meow with meow, meow, meow 3 times, and that's this block here. But the cat is not, I don't hear the meow but 1 time, and it's not happening at the same time. So the first problem I want to look at is making the cat meow, hear it 3 times. So let me just pull this bit of code over here because this is what I'm going to focus on. The block's in here, but it's inside the loop that says 3, but I'm not hearing it 3 times. Well, what you need to understand, when a program executes a command, it happens so fast that it's actually executing this 3 times, but we can't hear it. It is that fast. So we need a way to tell the program to wait, to allow the meow to happen, and then when it's over, then execute that command again. So there's 2 solutions to this. The first solution, I'm going to go to the control. I can just get this wait block out and put it in there. So now I'm saying, start the sound meow, wait a second, and then go back. So if I click on this, let's see if that works. Let's see if I can hear meow 3 times. And that did work. However, I told you there were 2 solutions. Let me show you another solution. And this is a common mistake that students make. There are these 2 blocks, play sound meow until done and play sound meow. Very similar, but different in the sense that when I tell the computer to play the sound, it will do it immediately and immediately move on to the next command. That's why I needed to wait. But this one, it says play it and do not move on to the next command until done. So if I put that in there and I click, that fixes it as well. Now the reason why I'm saying this one is better than this one, 2 reasons. One, when you're coding, we want to have the most efficient scripts as possible. And 1 block is much more concise than 2 blocks. Also, it just so happens that this solution worked on this program because my meow sound was less than a second long. If my meow sound was 5 seconds, for instance, I would have an issue. I would hear it kind of overlapping and it wouldn't sound correct. So we are going to use the meow sound until done. I'm going to click it back. All right, I have it meowing 3 times, but I don't have it happening at the same time. So that's the next issue that I have to address. In programming, you can do something called parallelism, which means I can run multiple scripts at the same time. So if I take this away and I use the same event as the green flag clicked, These two should run at exactly the same time. So let's do that and see. And it works. So we have solved this problem.